Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm thecubinggeek, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Alright, so the first step is you need to make just 3 in a row. So you need to make a white, green, orange piece here, a white, blue, orange piece here, and then a white, blue, red piece here. And honestly, it's pretty simple since we already have 2 of those. There's a line in line, so we're just gonna move this piece up, and then there you have it. The first step is finished. The next step, just simply insert this, and then the next step is after you solve the right side, you need to do this algorithm, and boom, that's how you solve it. For any case where you normally have a full yellow on top but just does not have a complete solved cube, just remember you need to actually do this algorithm. You probably saw this algorithm in the 3x3 episode. We're gonna put the algorithms in the description below, so you guys will be able to see the algorithms. But the algorithm is like this. And then there you have it. It's that easy to solve a 2x2. If you practice more and then just keep, if you are an experienced one in 2x2s, then I think this is pretty going to be easy. There's gonna be an easier method for you, but this is the method that I use. My method is a little bit different from the actual method, because instead of just inserting this and then having all the pieces instead we would have the beginner method would have something like this, and then it would have an algorithm that I don't even really remember. So yeah, this is more easier to remember, that's why. And I did not recognize the patterns. You can easily recognize the patterns in my 3x3 video, link in the description. And then the same method would be here. And then even though there's a PLL skip here, there actually would be something else. Which is this. Instead of doing that one algorithm that we normally use to solve J-perms, we do the beginner method teaches something like this. Yeah, I really just started using my custom method for a long time, so yeah, I really don't remember the beginner method from 2x2. Nowadays I've just started sticking to my own method, and now I've just gotten used to it. Oh, there's a J-perm. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. And if you want more and more tutorials and solves, please subscribe to the channel. We're trying to reach 40,000 subscribers at the end of the month, and we're getting closer and closer. I think our growth has been really great. But if you want more notifications for upcoming videos, just please do the notification bell now, and follow for more tutorials and solves and vlogs.